Ever wondered how to handle RV repairs and upgrades? Well, it's a question that many RV owners grapple with. Whether it's a pesky tire problem, a stubborn engine starter, or a wheel alignment issue, knowing how to tackle these common RV repairs is crucial. Not only does it save you a trip to the mechanic, but it also empowers you to handle unexpected situations on the road. Step 1. Identify the issue. Is it a flat tire, a faulty engine starter, or a wheel alignment problem? Knowing what you're dealing with is half the battle won. Step 2. Decide if you can handle the repair yourself, or if you need professional help. If it's a simple tire change, you might be able to do it yourself. But for complex issues like engine starter replacements or wheel alignment, you might need to call in the professionals. Step 3. If you decide to do it yourself, gather the necessary tools and equipment. Remember, safety first. Always use the right tools for the job and ensure you're equipped with safety gear. Step 4. Carry out the repair. This step requires patience, precision, and a good understanding of your RV's mechanics. If you're unsure at any step, it's better to seek professional help than to risk causing further damage. Now, let's move on to upgrades. If you're looking to enhance your travel experience, there are several upgrades you can consider. Step 5. Consider suspension upgrades. These can greatly improve ride comfort, especially on uneven terrains. Step 6. Think about interior and exterior improvements. From upgrading your upholstery to adding a fresh coat of paint, there are countless ways to personalize your RV. Step 7. Don't forget about safety upgrades. This could be anything from installing a rear-view camera to upgrading your RV's security system. Step 8. Personalize your RV. This is your home away from home. Make it reflect your personality and style. In conclusion, handling RV repairs and upgrades can seem daunting, but with the right approach, anyone can do it. Remember, the key to a safe and enjoyable travel experience is regular maintenance and timely upgrades. So, whether you're a seasoned RV owner or a newbie, the steps outlined in this video will help you tackle any repair or upgrade with confidence. Happy travels!
That's all the time we have for today. Thank you for watching, and remember to seize the day and secure your adventure with Warranty Direct Protect, America's top RV protection plan. Tap into lower insurance rates, extended warranty benefits, and cost-efficient inspections for auto, RV, boat, ATV, and motorcycles. Find your free RV buying guide in the links below. Don't forget to express your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel and tossing us a thumbs up on Facebook. Unleash the road ahead with Warranty Direct Protect. Click the links below and start your journey today.